Hey guys, it's me, Jamil Hollywood. First off, I want to start off happy 2019. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, so this gonna be like my first video for the year. So yeah, so today, oh speaking of that, y'all look at my hair, try something new. Like I got bangs now. It's just for now. Because like school started this week, so like, and I didn't know what to do with my hair, so I was like, why not? So this is an old wig. I just revamped it. I had this wig for a year now, so I just cut some bangs into it and then I cut it shorter. So it's cute. It's I like it. But anyways, so this is an unboxing. Sorry it's already open. I have to make sure what it was because I have more boxes coming in this week, so I wasn't too sure what exactly was it. So now this package is from Here So Fly, and what I got in here is a Sensational Cloud 9 13x6. Yeah, that's basically it. Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss Lace collection. 13x6 frontals with the baby hairs. So like these frontals, and there's 3 of them in the collection. So there's a silky straight, there's another one that's like a wavy straight, and then there's another one that's like a curly. So I ordered all 3 of them, and I was like, why not just ordered all 3? So let's get right into it. I'm starting a little shaky, y'all. Like, it's the beginning of the year. I'm still trying to adjust to myself because I've been home for Christmas. So I'm still trying to like get back into the groove. I'm like, I know my situation is going on. Like, I'm in the bathroom because it's quiet. It's real quiet in here, like dead quiet. Okay. Now with Here So Fly, like their ship, I'm so uncomfortable. Like I'm on my knees. But anyways, their shipping was so fast. Like, and their processing, like with the credit cards and shit, like it was so easy. Like their website was just so easy, and their shipping was so fast, and that was a plus. Like, cause other websites, they was asking me for PayPal, and I haven't used PayPal in like almost 2 years. So no, and PayPal gets a little sketchy sometimes. And so everything was just on the site, like all the credit card stuff or whatever you want to use is on the site, which made it easy for me. And then on top of that, their shipping was fast. They use USPS, I don't know. Your shipping was mad fast. I ordered it Thursday, it came Saturday. But there was a post office issue where they couldn't find my location. I don't know why. But anyway, and of course they was closed on Sundays. So I didn't got this till Monday. So, but it came Saturday. It's just it wasn't the company's fault. It was just the post office just didn't know my location. Okay, so now we could get into this unboxing. I'm trying to get comfortable. Let me put this down. Okay. So now I'm gonna get the first one, and these units, I haven't touched them. They're still in the original packaging. So like I said, I just opened the box because I didn't know what was in it. Because I have more boxes coming in. So anyways, this is the first one. This is the Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig What Lace Caroline Illusion collection with 100% premium fibers. So this is the first one that I got. So this is in the style Janelle, which is like a silky straight. As you can see, the model's cute. It's like a silky straight. Yeah, it's like a silky straight. And you know me, I love me some bone ass straight hair. Like, yes. And then I got her in the color 1 because, listen, this year I'm trying to do natural colors. Like I'm not trying to be doing any like blonde 613s and um 99Js and 30s. Like I'm just trying to keep it completely natural. Ones, one Bs, twos, fours. You know what I mean? So yeah. So if you want a better picture of her, I will put her somewhere there. So yeah. So let me give you a background. It is well crafted, soft lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps for a secure fit. It is a 13 by 6 customized 100% hand tied and pre-plucked to create a realistic natural density illusion hairline. Yes, that's what we're talking about. We're parted back here, bitch. And yo, and this is a very versatile wig. Like you could do ponytails, half up, half downs, buns, all kind of styles. Like, yes. And then it's undetectable translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out of the box. So if y'all can see that right here, it has 13 by 6, and this is how the hairlines look, and that's how the cap is constructed. And then also it features, it's basically the same thing I just said. Well, I'm gonna just read it. Pre-customized unit features 13 by 6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tied, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, protective style, no leave out necessary. And that's what I love, because if y'all know me, I've been wearing wigs for a hot minute now, and I like my hair to be in. That's why I don't do weave, because I don't like leave out. And then if I do an invisible part, that's just ugly because it's an invisible part, so I won't be able to do anything special with it because it's a one-parted wig. So yeah, so this is her. So, and I still got 2 more to show y'all. So this is her. She's cute. She's slick. She's slaying. I love her. So like I said, this is Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace, white lace in the style Janelle in the color 1. Number 2. Same wig, different style. Now this style is kind of confusing, but I ain't gonna say all this stuff over because as y'all can see, it's the same thing, same packaging, same stuff in the back. Y'all got the info. So, but now I'm gonna just tell y'all about the wig style and the color. So now this one is in the style Morgan, and this one is in the color 2. But Morgan kind of confused me, because if y'all could see that, like I said, I'm gonna put all the pictures in here. So if y'all could see that, she's like a wavy straight, or like a straight with a bit of wave in her. If y'all could see that, I'm like, this is really, really cute. Like, I don't know, I just find it's cute. Like, I don't know, I like her. So why not? And I think she's cut in layers as well. And this style right here is really cute. I might attempt one of those. So yeah, so that's number 2. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I just love the color. Like, all of them is so natural. So yes. So again, in the style Morgan, in the color 2. Now, last but not least, number 3. This is the same thing, but this one is in the style Solana. And she's, oh no, you can't see it. Okay. She's in the color 4. So this is how she's looking. Let's put all her picture there. So she's like I would say like a body wave, or like a curly, wavy. She's very body wave-ish. I would say body wave, because it looks more like a body wave. With some curls. Like, it look like regular straight hair that's been roller set, or maybe even curl ironed to look like this. That's how I see it. So yeah, this is cute. This is really, really, really cute. It's out of my league. Like, y'all know, I don't own no body wave, and I ain't have no curly hair in a minute. You know, probably forever, because I always rocking straight hair. See, look, even this straight. So yes, that's her. So like I said, her name is Solana, and it's in the color 4. And I was kind of skeptical about 4s because I thought the 4 was like this color, because in the pictures on the side it had a color that was like this, so that's why I thought the 4 was this. And like if you look at the unit, it's dark. It's really dark. So I'm not complaining. I love it. It's even more natural. So that's her. And then I also got me some wig caps. You know, why not? Why not get some caps? So yeah. So I will put all Hair So Fly's information in the description box. And also I will be definitely doing reviews on all 3 of these wigs. So I got plenty more stuff coming up for y'all. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please. Please hit the notification bell because that also helps. Peace. Bye stars. I'll catch y'all in my next video.